Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can hide your number on outgoing calls on your Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. Maybe you want to surprise someone, maybe you want to prank someone, I don't know. You want to go to your phone icon here, go to the three little dots, go to settings, and now you want to go to supplementary services, and now you want to click on show your caller ID and then say never. So then your number won't be displayed on the device you're calling, and the other person then obviously doesn't know who's calling. If you want to undo that again, you just need to click here and then say always on network default, and then your number will be shown on the device you're calling. If you've done that, you can just go back, use your phone as normal. So that's how you can hide your number on outgoing calls on your Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.